This level also has like a really funny song. Not really funny. It's kind of just like cringy, and it's the whole point of the fucking level though. So I just want to let that be known before you just start hearing some bullshit. Just start bursting in your eardrums. When I beat this, I have something special to say. I don't have any new best clips to put here except for 71, 72, because I did record those, and I realized how low I am compared to the game, like when I actually like speak and shit, and damn, I'm gonna have to like tweak my mic or something to figure that out.
Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches.
71. Not bad. Not bad.
I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long.
Here's the completion now, and I was kind of mad when I got 72 because I was just not having it.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Yar, extra noses pounces on you, ooh. Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Rar, extra noses pounces on you, ooh, you're so warm. Ooh, couldn't help but notice your bones from across the floor. Noses are nicky like you told them or till they hee hee. Unzip so baggy as pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy like you. Sazzles and wazzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Pause on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
What the fuck? Okay. Well, I guess anyways, I'm a furry. That's the whole point of me beating this level. I wanted to admit that. I've been a furry for 3 years now. I told no one. I started this level back in May, like literally last month. And I thought, hey, I should postpone this until June, because Pride Month and all that. And this is literally like the gay furry level. So I thought that'd be funny. I DM'd a friend saying, like, I'm gonna beat this shit today. Just because, like, I don't know. I just felt like it. Your balls are just not there.
Holy shit. This is the big.
I love playing this with my left hand. We do it with the right hand,
This is the big. Yes. This is the big. This is the big. Yes.
I had a lot of fun playing this. It's just the fact that I was recording on top of it. It made me not like it, but I did enjoy it overall. It's actually very fun. 2,700 minutes. 7,305 attempts. And also, this is now in my top 10 hardest levels. Accu 529. Accu's out of here. This should be
Holy shit.
right below.
This is the big. Yes. This is the big. Yes.
This is now my second hardest level that I've beaten.
This is
I'm gonna try. Actually, no. I'm gonna beat the Thanatos next, which is 632. That's not where I want to go. That'll put it above. Wait, adjust this. So it'll be my third, and then push out Azurite.